¿Dónde? Mi amor, ¿dónde? 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 Dime. ¿Dónde? Besos.
¿Pero a dónde van?
Más tarde, pero 20 minutos. Texto.
My first question to you now is, are the women in Cali, Colombia checking heavy for brothers? Let me repeat that one more time, brother. Are the women in Cali, Colombia, specifically Cali, Colombia, checking heavy for the brothers? Break it down for us, bro.
All right, so in Cali,
Y'all, bro, I'm gonna have y'all boys traveling to Colombia, but every time I say that, I'm gonna say this. If you go to Colombia on my dime, make sure you be careful, you be safe, you do your due diligence, do your research. Don't be going to back alleys. Don't be getting, putting yourself in positions to get finessed. You feel me? Make sure you go do it safely, preferably with some friends, with a group of people. If you go by yourself, be extra careful. Just let you know, be careful, be cautious.
I spent a lot of time walking around so I could get to know the neighborhood. And in Cali, they have a lot of restaurants where like you sit outside. So as you're walking on the sidewalk, you're passing people that are eating at restaurants. And all I got was, from every little chica, man. It was incredible. Some of them were married. Some of them had their boyfriends with them. They didn't care, man. It was just like time froze when they saw me. They was just, because...
Is that melanin? That melanin will do it for you. I'm telling you, brother, melanin have people going crazy. You hear me? Melanin, I know how to say it, so don't be thinking I'm stupid. I put a little sauce on it. You hear me?
It's not too many of us out there, man. And they can tell the difference between a African Latina and an African American. It's like the way we walk, man, the way we speak. They just know. And they are really attracted to what is different than them. So you're going to kill it if you go down there, I promise you. I seen guys down there, not the best health. Yeah, they weren't in the best health. And they had no problem getting the prettiest women, Yeah.
I'm not telling you to not be in the best health, because in a lot of those times, those type guys, they bring the chickie over here and she leave them for somebody who is in better health. You feel me? So it's always to make sure you well-rounded. Make sure you in good health. Make sure you working out, taking care of yourself. Get into the bag. You feel me? And you don't have nothing to worry about.
Appreciate that.
Can I get a feminine and submissive woman in Cali, Colombia? Can I get her on my program? No back talk. No, hey IP, don't tell me what to do. Hey IP, I won't do that, blah, blah, blah. If I say do something, will she do it?
Without a doubt, IP. Without a doubt, man. Like, the whole dynamic between men and women in Colombia is completely different. One reason why I tell y'all to learn how to dance, like salsa, merengue, ciabatta, something.
That's very important. I'm telling you right now, guys. I'm telling you right now at this moment in America. Go to YouTube or now learn how to bachata, learn how to do basic salsa. Go to the Hispanic club and just know how to dance. You pull a Hispanic that quick. You can be the ugliest dude in there, but if you the man on that dance floor, you'll pull one of them. I'm telling you. I'm very well acquainted with it. I know how to do all that. Salsa, got all of it. Oh, merengue, I won't say I'm too good at that, but that's pretty easy. You can swag that out. But salsa, bachata, I'm good at all of it. I can go to that and go dance with any chick. And if you know how to do just the basics of it too, some of the females help teach you. You feel me? But it's best to go in there and kind of know what you're doing. But I'm telling you, the Hispanics love it when you know how to dance, bro. Dancing to Hispanics in the Hispanic club is like the equivalent to you having on a whole bunch of jury and VIP with big bottles in the back club, in a black club. You feel me?
Because all women are taught to dance there, and they are taught to follow. So they do the same thing when it comes to relationships, man. Same thing. And it's a really warm feeling, man. Like, I can't explain it. I've never felt anything like it before. But getting a submissive, feminine woman in Colombia, easy. Too easy. I didn't have one woman walk up to me. But they did. They sat there. They would stand in front of me, show off their body. And, they were looking at me like, what you gonna do? So I didn't come across a lot of aggressive women, but man.
So when they pull up on you like that, what y'all gonna do? You gotta know what to do in that situation. Some of y'all probably don't need, y'all probably freeze up. Feel me? But no, when they come and pull up on you like that, you gotta put that swag on. You gotta be like, hey, what up? Ooh, bonita señorita, yes. That's right. Hey, you gotta know a couple. You feel me? Don't say it like that. I was joking. Don't say that, bro. Do not say that, bro. Just pull up on them. Like, hey, what's good with you? You feel me? Do it. You feel me? Just swag out. Do it your type of way. You feel me? Me, I probably pull up and be like, hey, what's up? What you trying to go get some food or something? Hey, I'll probably be something like this. Hey, man, what's the best places in Colombia to get something to eat? I need some of the Colombian food. You know what I'm saying? American ain't got none of that. And I'm pretty sure she's going to be like, okay, we can go over here. You feel me? You feel what I'm saying? You got to pull up, man. Be swaggy with it. You hear me?
They are aggressively feminine, if I can say that. And I like that. Definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Aggressively feminine. I ain't heard that term before, brother. Aggressively feminine. Out of all those groups of women, who gives brothers the most play in Cali, Colombia? The black woman, the mixed race woman, and the white woman.
Everybody, man. Everybody. I'm talking everybody. No. They are definitely checking for brothers that dressing nice, speak well, take care of themselves. All you got to do is go out to salsa night, man. It's over for you.
Over with.
So many women wanted to dance, man. I probably danced till about 3-4 o'clock in the morning. And I'm talking about these women were rich, man. These women were beautiful. They dressed nice. They just wanted a man that was different, that would treat them, really well. I had a really good time there, man.
Okay,
really
brother. Can you speak on that salsa night part there? So it seems like salsa night is an avenue for brothers to actually explore to get these beautiful Latina women. So are you saying that brothers should learn how to dance? Brothers should take salsa lessons and then go to Colombia, go to these salsa clubs and get women from there?
100%. Take salsa lessons. Go on YouTube. Learn on YouTube. Do whatever you need to do to learn how to hit that salsa up in that bachata. The bachata and the salsa. Learn that. I'm telling you, bro. Some of y'all finna go and learn it right after this video, huh? Some of y'all finna be salsa in your house right now by yourself. You hear me? Y'all probably cut the video off and go learn salsa right now, huh?
Was that your strategy, brother?
Definitely. If you guys are serious about like pursuing a Latino woman, 2 things, please. I want you to learn how to dance, the salsa, merengue, something, man. Learn how to dance, and also
learn bachata first, and then learn salsa. Them the only 2. After you learn them 2, the other ones will come natural. Merengue, that'll come natural. It's like a 2-step. It's like a boom, 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 boom. But salsa is like more you putting your foot, you putting a little swag on it. No, what I say, salsa is you putting a little swag on it. Like that, you put 2 foot. It's kind of complicated at first, but you will get it. Bachata is the 2-step. It's a boom, 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 boom. Super simple. Bachata is when you learn first. Super simple. Then learn salsa. You're going to put a little sauce on it. And then the other ones, like I say, that'll come natural.
Learn Spanish. If you learn those 2 things, you will outdo any competition. I promise you that, because the average man in Colombia is making about $1,000 a month. All right. So you gentlemen that are retired,
But y'all better come. Y'all can definitely go out there and do it. Be the boss. The average guy's $1,000 a month in Colombia. Come on, bro. Bruh, come on, bro. That ain't, you feel me, compared to what some of y'all make. And if you feel me, if you ain't making more than that, you don't need to be going to Colombia. Go make some money first and then go to Colombia. But the whole point is you ain't got to make as much. You feel what I'm saying? You got to make as much, man. You feel me? The 200 family ain't finna be no broke, dude. If you part of 200 family, we ain't finna be fat. We ain't finna be broke. We ain't finna be disgusted. We're gonna stand on morals. We'll get our butt up. We're gonna grind every single day. And then get to the ladies. You feel me? Well, I'll be getting to my wife, but y'all will be getting to the ladies. You hear me? We ain't no lazy over here. We ain't fat, laying up, playing video games all day. We getting to the bag. We getting to the gym. We making that, you feel me? We doing what we gotta do. And then the ladies, you hear me?
you gentlemen making $4 or $5 grand a month, you gentlemen in technology, you gonna kill the game. I promise you. I promise you will kill the game. And if you're looking for wife material, man, it is so much there because Cali is very traditional. I'm talking about if you want to date a young woman, you got to ask her parents. All right. If her parents are not alive, you have to ask her oldest sibling. All right. I literally went on a date with this beautiful woman, man. Very, very beautiful. But the thing is, her sister came along with us. And we ended up having a real good time, all three of us.
Oh, yeah.
A real good
I know
time.
what you're talking. Yeah. That's only on the Patreon. That's too explicit for us to go into.
Yes.
But when I was, what he was telling me on the Patreon recording that I did last week with.
That kind of weird, bro. Her and her sister. They getting it like that. Some of y'all definitely finna go to California. Y'all finna go take a trip right now. Not California, but Cali. Y'all probably packing up y'all bags right now. That boy said he had a sister. Both of them. At the same time. Boy.
Justin, it was crazy. You know, it was extremely explicit. We won't go into detail because we'll get in trouble here. But if you want to hear that explicit stories, including the German women as well, I think you messed with a German girl out there in Cali, Colombia, didn't you, bro? That German chick.
Oh, definitely, y'all. Can't wait to tell y'all about that.
Yep. And if you want to hear what he did with her explicitly, that's only on the Patreon, brothers. You know, we got to keep it PG.
All right, man. That's the end of the video. Y'all can go subscribe to dude. I'm good on the explicitness. I know what explicit means. Y'all can go subscribe to the Patreon, though. Y'all go support buddy. But it seemed like dude was having the time of his life out there. But y'all just know, if y'all go on my dime, like I say, and I'm going to continue to say, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. And hey, and if you go out there and do your thing, make sure you hit me in my comments, or you hit me on Instagram and let me know about your experience. Because I gotta live through y'all. I'm married. I can't do it. So I gotta live through y'all. So y'all tell me y'all experiences in the comments and on Instagram. But hey, 200 family. See you guys next video. Be safe out there, kings. Let's get it, man.